walk around video of Suffix A Range Rover for sale, currently on eBay. It's a mostly complete vehicle. It needs full restoration. Various areas need welding. It's been off the road since 2013. Has a very clean MOT history actually, up until 2015, 2016, when it came off the road, not 13. Yeah, it has all of its original components that you would need for a good restoration. Still has the external handle tailgate, which is in salvageable condition. All the exterior body panels are in really good condition. As you can see, the vehicle does run and drive. Done about 5 miles of driving in it. It stops, starts, clutch engages all gears. All the panels are original and they're steel. It's currently fitted with a Perkins 4.3 litre diesel. This works fine, absolutely fantastic engine. No problems with that at all. The mileage currently shows 70,000 on the clock. I couldn't tell you if that's correct or not. The old MOT history does back this up, going back to the early 60s on its mileometer. This most likely will be 160,000. As you can see, it does need welding. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It's solid in the areas that you need it to be solid, like the A-pillars, they're salvageable. As I say, the floors down there, they're crusty, they've gone through. Lower A-pillars, they've gone through, they need redoing. As does this side. You can see that it's had someone do a horrific attempt at some welding. But that seems to be that's as far as they've got with this restoration at some point. Still has the original mat in the back, which is quite nice. Gearbox Tunnel is an adaptation, I believe, or it's been, I'm not sure what that is, but that is a bolt-in part. Original dash, no major extra holes in it. It has got one for an aftermarket alarm, which is currently removed. You can see the original colour there. Nice original colour. That makes me think that the doors are also correct and original to the vehicle too. As you can see here, they've just been painted over with Tuscan blue, but you can see the original colour showing through in various points along the vehicle. The wings are also that colour. A lot of the interior that's been removed is still in the boot, as is an original V8 engine and transmission setup. I'm not sure if that's the original one for the vehicle. I haven't checked the numbers. I don't know the condition of that. That's just included in the sale. It does select all gears. It goes in high-low as well. It's going to need sill panels, inner wings, floor panels, A-pillars. It's not too bad on this side, as you can see. It's probably just patchable. But then the other side, someone has cut a section out of it to begin welding it, and then they've just given up. As you can see, it does need welding. There you go. It's pretty solid underneath. Apart from that, the chassis has got no holes that I can see. It's not to say there isn't any, but it's a very good basis to start from. It's a vehicle that runs, drives, stops, starts, engages all gears. The clutch is good with a good biting point. So it's a vehicle that you can essentially work on, move in and out of your unit as you want to, but it's a great candidate for a restoration.